Hi, I'm Mike Sanderson, owner of Auto Service Experts in Grove City. One of the most important things every driver can do is understand the basics of how their vehicle works. It's not about becoming a mechanic, it's about feeling confident and informed when it comes to your car. Let's start with the essentials. Your vehicle has several key systems working together to keep you moving. The engine is like the heart, converting fuel into energy. Your transmission is the muscle, transferring that energy to the wheels. Then there's the braking system, crucial for safety, designed to slow or stop your car effectively. Under the hood, you'll also find the battery and electrical system, powering everything from the lights to the onboard computer. And let's not forget your tires. They're your car's connection to the road and play a big role in handling and safety. Modern vehicles also include advanced technology like ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, that use sensors and cameras to enhance your safety. From lane keeping assist to automatic braking, these systems rely on precise calibration to work properly. Understanding these basics can help you spot potential issues early, ask the right questions at the shop, and even save money on unnecessary repairs. At Auto Service Experts, we're here to help you stay informed and keep your car running smoothly. If you have questions or need service, visit our website or call us at 614-808-8340. We're always happy to help you better understand your vehicle